Oh yeah, Aaron ran that hole. Look at Aaron's got a little dick. He drives a big truck, little dick. The fuck?
Turn it up on the bitch. I turn it up on the bitch. I turn it up on the bitch. I turn it up.
No, I did that because remember last time we talked about that, and you're like, "Oh, are you there yet? Are you there yet?" So now I finally remembered and sent it to you. And no, I ain't got the little dick, and no, I ain't trying to overcompensate with my extended long hood.
On the bitch. I turn it up on the bitch. I turn it up on the bitch. I turn it up on the bitch.
I'm passionate about my paper, man. I ain't got time for game. Really? Shit ain't in my program. I leave it to y'all lame. I'm bossy. Once I get started, it's hard to stop me, man. I count. I'm Lieutenant Roaster Boss, bitch. I ain't Captain Saber. How I let a bitch know I ain't got no choho, bitch. I'm po, bitch. You gotta dig me for me. And that's the way it's gonna go. I be galaxy, man. I be spacing. When I'm spacing, I need my space to get the flash on a whole ass nigga trying to test my patience. 5 cases. I ain't talking about the beat. I'm talking street instruments. Music to my ears. I ain't a pretty nigga with a face tat and a 6-pack. But I bet you that I can beat your bitch's coochie back.
Skinny one.
Skinny.
Oh fuck. Call it swag. You know.
Yeah, and I wouldn't drive around with no AC. Fuck, I would yell at my boss if I had no AC. Make him fix it right on the spot, as long as I can get the parts.
Expected more power.
Oh wait, I forget. I am my own boss. Damn it. Oh well, I'll get the money from Brian to fix my AC if I need it fixed.
Right now I sell CDs, but I used to slang power. I ain't gotta have no paper to give me some skin.
I just hand her my phone and she punched a number in. Big boss talk. I don't make it rain and I don't pay for you.
You see the big face Rolex watch, the DS1 clarity box, the jacket made out of fox.
You know how much that costs?
The three-dimensional medallion,
Been the buzz gun.
tailor-made and handcrafted, customized by King Jack.
Sometimes I like to spoil myself.
Spoil myself. All of those hate make nutritious.
Hey man, it's bad for your health.
Put my word around. Talk you down on the boss. Throw that nigga down.
I turn it up on the bitch. 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 I turn it up.
Turn it up.